It's already autumn. I went to the pumpkin farmhouse near my house and bought some pumpkins. When it comes to autumn, I always make pecan pie. This pecan pie has sweet and nutty flavor from buttery and gooey filling. To make a pumpkin pie crust, you need 1½ cup of flour, 1½ cup of pecan, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, ½ cup of unsalted butter, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and extra flour. Let's make crust first. Put 1½ cup of flour to the white bowl and add ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and mix them well. Cut ½ cup of unsalted butter into small cubes. Put butter to the flour mix and break butter into smaller pieces with pastry cutter. Use ice water to make a crumbly crust. You need ½ cup of ice water. Add water gradually and make crust as quickly as you can. The crust looks great. Divide the crust into half. This means you can have 2 crusts. Cover with plastic wrap and put it into fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight. Oil the pie pan evenly. This is a 9-inch pan. Spread the flour to the flat surface and sprinkle the flour over crust and push it with your palm to soften. Roll out the crust into 11 inches wide using rolling pin. I am making 1/8 inches thick crust. Wrap the crust with rolling pin and transfer to the pan. Press crust bottom using your thumb to make it even. Cut the crust edge evenly about 1½ inch from the bottom. You can patch uneven crust. Transfer to the fridge and leave it there for 30 minutes. Roast 1½ cup of pecan for about 5 minutes on a low heat. down for 5 minutes. Save 5 pecans to make flour shake later. Chop pecan finely. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Crack and whip 3 eggs. Let's make filling. Put 1 cup dark corn sugar, 2/3 cup of dark corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt into saucepan and boil until the sugar is well dissolved. Add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add egg to the lukewarm filling and mix well. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of half and half cream, 1 tablespoon of bourbon and mix well. Pour pecan to the crust and spread them evenly. Pour filling over pecan about 1 inch below from crust. Tap the pie pan a few times to take the air in the filling, and transfer to the oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes on 350 degrees. Set a timer to 15 minutes to add more pecans. Make flower shape in the center of the pie. Aren't they pretty? Put the pan back to oven and bake for 15 more minutes and cool down for about 30 minutes to an hour. Pecan pie is completely baked. Smells so good. I can't wait to taste it. It looks delicious. Enjoy pecan pie with whipped cream. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment.